Thank you, the Speaker.
Gwikinyia kwa Minista wa UGITIRI wa THIINI KIPCHUMBA MURKOMEN mbere ya bunge ya Senate ni kurehete utheri wa maundu matiganite maria marakuruhania UGITIRI wa bururi. Na umwe wamo ni ciiko cia andu gutharikirwo na kuragwo ni muingi. Riu MURKOMEN akiithuria ati kaunti ya Kiambu niyo iratongoririe bururi mugima na ciiko ici mwaka muthiru, na macungiririo ari ni ati andu 58 ni makuire thutha wa muingi kuoya watho moko-ini mao. MURKOMEN akiuga ati gitumi kinene kiria kiracungiririe muingi gutharikira ekwirwo ni kwaga mwihoko na ruhonge rwa magoti.
People generally don't believe in the judicial system and the justice system of the country, all the way from arrest to prosecution to conviction.
Hamwe na kaunti ingi iria MURKOMEN aheanite ithaburi ya andu aria makuite moko-ini ma muingi ni Nairobi andu 55, Machakos 22, Githumo 36, Embu 33, Vihiga 20, Kilifi 18 na undu umwe na Githii na Migori 19. MURKOMEN akiuga ati aingi aria makuite ni aria mekuagirwo ni muingi na njira ya mahitia.
A lot of times in those mob justice scenarios or injustice, it's a case of mistaken identity.
It is true that there are cases where mob justice target people who are absolutely not related with a suspected crime.
No senators ni monekanire kumurika atwarithia anduthi aria marerikana ni makoretwo magikuruhania na tharikira cia muingi, na muno riria kwaumira mutino gatagati ka ngari na anduthi. Atwarithia aya makirikana ati ni mehiriirie ciiko cia kuoya watho moko-ini mao.
Some of the mob injustices arise as a result of road accidents between border riders and vehicles.
Already we are working with the Ministry of Transport to see if they can make mandatory identification for border riders, including their area of operation.
There is a connection between politicians and their political activities and some of these mob justice incidences.
But this is not happening without political support again. There are politicians that own and support these groups.
Where will our people be able to report to? And can they trust the internal affairs unit of the police, where the police are investigating fellow police officers?
I agree with Senator Nyutu that maybe internal affairs unit needs to publicize its operation.
Ningĩ ni kumirire ciuria ciĩgiĩ njũragano cia Kenya iria cikoretwo cigĩkuruhanio na maabitha borithi. Na orĩngĩ MURKOMEN onekana kwerekeria njĩra ciake kũrĩ ũteti.
To see what he is doing, to see to it that incidents of the police killing wananchi, whether innocent or otherwise, are reduced.
The solution is in this chamber and similar places where leaders are. If we can organize our politics differently, we will not need to deploy a single police officer.
Kiuria riu gigitigara giakana kuri na mutaratara ugathikitwo ni thirikari wa kuriha aria maratharikirwo na kana makoragwo ni borithi.
What plans does he have to have a victims compensation policy?
It cannot just be a policy because after that a budgetary provision must be given by parliament.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Gujiri.